Hello. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, nice to hear that you are fine. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good job. What's your name?
My name is Chikmanga.
Your English name is Lucy.
Lucy.
Okay, Lucy, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, look at the monitor. This will be your midterm video interview in Phonics 1A. Okay, do your best. Let's start. First, please identify the following letters.
I, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L.
Good job. Now, what numbers? What number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. Now, what animals?
And bear, dog, cat, dog, duck, elephant, fish, gorilla, goat, horse, insect, kangaroo, lion,
Very good. About food?
banana, elephant,
Lemon. Next is?
hot dog, fruit, ram, and apple.
Very good. Now, what things? What is it?
Bear, cat, cat, fan, fox, cat, owl, eagle, key, tie, lamb, ink.
Very good. That's the end of your speaking. Thank you.